how to delete a Fortnite account on PS5. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to delete your Fortnite account on PS5, I've got you covered. Maybe you're done with the same game switching accounts or just want a fresh start. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the process step by step. So let's get into it. Before we start, you should know that Fortnite is linked to your Epic Games account, not just your PlayStation account. So deleting your Fortnite progress means you need to remove or disable your Epic Games account. So this process is permanent, so be 100% sure about it. And after that, you could unlink your Epic Games account from PS5's. So just go on your PS5, open a web browser and go to www.epicgames.com. Click sign in and log into your Epic Games account. Once logged in, hover over your username and select account. In the left menu, click connections, then go to the accounts tab, find PlayStation Network and click disconnect. Confirm by checking all the required boxes and clicking unlink. So this will remove your Fortnite account from your PlayStation, but your Epic Games account still exists. So if you want to fully delete it, let's move on. While still on www.epicgames.com, go to account settings, scroll down to delete account section, click request account deletion. So you'll receive a security code via email, enter it and confirm. So Epic Games will process the deletion, which takes 14 days. And that's it. Your Fortnite account will be deleted permanently after 14 days. Until then, you can still cancel the request if you change your mind. So I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.